Good morning, class. Welcome back to our math class. So this is Teacher Ellen, and I welcome you all to this class. Okay, today is Monday. All right, so today is Monday, and have a wonderful day. So last week, class, we studied about skip counting by 5. Yes, skip counting by 5. Now, let's have a review first before we're going to proceed to our new lesson. Let's count with me. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Right, all right. So that is how you are going to count. Skip counting by 5. Are you ready to learn a new lesson for this morning? Okay. Are you excited? I hope you are. So this morning, class, we are going to learn a new lesson. But before that, let's keep on practicing first and reviewing about skip counting by 5. Okay, number 1. We learned also from last week about random numbers keep counting by 5, right? So let's start with number 1, 22, 27, 32, 37, 42. The next number will be 47. For number 2, 33, 38, 43, 48, 53. The next number will be 58. So number 3, 54, 59, 64, 69, 74. The next number will be 79. Number 4, 15, 20, 25, 30. The next number will be 35. 5, 76, 76, 81, 86, 91, 96. The next number will be 101. All right, so next slide, we are going to talk about how to skip counting by 10. Yes, you heard it right. This morning, we are going to skip counting by 10. Okay, how to skip counting by 10? So let's count 0 from 0 to 100. Okay, so how to skip counting by 10? Let's start counting by 10 and add 10 or plus 10 to have the next number. Example, 10 plus 10 equals 20, 20 plus 10 equals 30, 30 plus 10 equals 40, 40 plus 10 equals 50. That's it. Okay, look. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Easy, right? So let's count again one more time. Everybody, skip counting by 10 from 0 to 100. Everybody, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, amazing. Now let's practice skip counting by 10 using the caterpillar counting by 10. So let's complete the body of the caterpillar using the skip counting by 10. Okay, everybody? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Now let's practice more about how to skip counting by 10. Let's fill in the blank. What is the missing number? Everybody? 40 blank, 60 blank, 80. What is the answer? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Next line. 20, 30, the missing number is 40. Next is 50. Next is 60. Next, number 10. 10. Next number, 20. Next number, 30, 40. Next is 50. All right, great. There's no number. Okay, column, next column, 60, blank, 70, 80. Next is 90, and then 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, and next is 70. Okay, that is all about counting number, skip counting by 10. All right, class, I hope you learned something today from our video. Thank you so much for watching and see you again this afternoon. Have a great day.